Light is radiant energy that enables us to see. Sources of light are either natural or artificial. Natural lighting. The main sources of natural light is the sun. Other sources include the moon and the stars. Natural light gets into a room through openings such as doors, windows, and skylights. Artificial lighting. Methods of lighting. Different methods of lighting are used in the home. They include direct lighting or focal lighting, semi-direct lighting or general lighting, indirect lighting, and decorative. Direct or focal lighting. This is when light is focused on a point where it is required for a specific purpose. Semi-direct or general lighting. This is where light is distributed in all directions. Indirect lighting is where the source of light is hidden and the light is directed onto a surface such as a wall or ceiling. The light is then deflected and distributed to the whole room. Decorative lighting. This is light that is used to bring out the beauty of a room and the accessories. Colored bulbs or lampshades may be used to create a desired mood. Lighting fixtures or fittings are devices used for holding bulbs and may also be decorative. They can be mounted on ceilings or walls, pendants, or placed on tables or floors.